Dashley and welcome. Taning anzo La Fortuna la dade. Anzo Manuel Antonio ne La Fortuna bato chitu ngas langaresha. Ani thandang anzo chitu ni wasna den matingi ni konda chitu gimbas pidi gre. Hala sasale so chizu sumjala. Chizu sum gorsa shi. Not like so long. Cutting line kirang.
Chasha faita.
Okay. This is a regular burger and it looks huge. The burger some like bacon bacon. I might take that out. But this looks amazing. 3 more hours. Hi, welcome. We made it to our hotel in La Fortuna after a long windy road drive.
6+ hours on the road.
6+ hours on the road. So we're feeling super tired. So we're just walking to the restaurant and the pool. Oh, it's really big. Uh-oh. Is it hot? Good night. That's it. We're gonna shower and sleep tonight. We have a long, intense day tomorrow. Good morning.
Good morning.
당저 저게 알랑이 주스 두 pasla. 아니 언저 쇼샤 주스 듬발로 고추도. 디젤랑 언저 남성 La Fortuna ki waterfall la jare. 쇼샤 체리 쳤어. Here's the Costa Rican color typical.
Where? Where? Up where? I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Oh my god. Look at them.
Also, we're being greeted by this guy. Sheesh.
Arishish. Okay, here we go. That's the one that we're going to, right?
Yeah, we're going down there.
So, 500 steps down and then 500 steps back up. Here's the start of the 500 steps. I think it's the green one. 100 down. 400 more to go. Oh!
Hi.
Where did you come from?
The killer tree.
Wow. It smells so good and fresh. Look at these beautiful trees. Look at this beautiful tree. Amma, shouldn't Oh my god.
What?
Climb. Holy. Whoa. This is so beautiful. And the waterfall, there's so much life. Look at the trees, the vines, the leaves, all kinds of plants growing on this rock. Wow.
Let's go swim.
Khali. There's big rocks around you. I want to take a dip too. Dindu, not too far. Dindu, come back here. Dindu, just come. back here than no.
Yeah. Sit inside.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it's okay, I'll hold your hand. Go there. Go inside, yeah. Get inside. Yeah. Get inside. Head in. Yeah.
It's so nice. Wow.
I'm just waiting for like monkey turkey, bro. And everyone.
They're actually quite big. I see you.
You did it. So, good night. Okay, we're done with the waterfall. We're gonna start our long climb back, 500 steps. This is after 500 steps. Nyasta. Huh? Amma. And I'm just enjoying a nice coconut.
Nice and cold too. It's nice. Lots of activities here for tourists, locals, travelers passing through. There's a bunch of things that we might pick up later, so taking a look at some of these. The chocolates are really good. I think we might pick up some chocolate and some coffees. Magic Look at these little trees that they planted. They're so cute. Looking for sloths. Oh wow, look at these beautiful trees. Although we can't really see clearly from this. Let's see the first frog that we saw. It's so small, it was like this big.
It's the size of a toe.
Oh wow.
Chicos, colgado. So remember, they don't use energy when they're hanging. Pueden estar colgados por muchas horas. Double hand scratching now. Double hand.
Está camuflado, según
Es el camuflaje, sí. They're no poison. They just have a. Okay, let me see. That's the colors.
Oh my.
No es venenosa.
Wow.
Yo. Sí, toma.
So we've seen sloths,
We saw
frogs.
3.
Four sloths.
4 sloths. A mom and a baby, the last one that we saw.
Yeah.
Just taking a short break. We got iced tea on the house. And now we're waiting for our chocolate and coffee tour. Wow.
When the
3.5
plant is
years.
3.5, we use coffee for the first time. And it's possible to see the coffee bean there.
Yeah.
It's ground right here. There's got a lot of bean, look. Yeah, a lot of bean.
Yeah.
Okay, for first time.
And that, is it hard?
No, it's hard, yeah.
Because the rain, the sun.
Oh yeah, look, there it is.
There.
That's
It's a
the
slippery.
coffee bean.
That slippery thing name is mucílago.
Musila.
Yeah, the mucílago is water, sugar.
Oop. So you have to ferment it
It's
first,
so soft.
4 days, and then you dry it, which can take 20 days.
Yeah, to get this.
You dry it here.
Yeah. Yeah, so from the plant or from the bean, here, remember, take 1 month.
1 month, yeah.
1 month. Yeah. To prepare the bean like this. So we are going to roast the coffee.
It's like garlic.
Okay.
Only the green beans.
When it's windy, the idea is to
Aha. Oh, hot water, let's go. I'll just leave it here.
Okay, taste test. How is it?
I think once you learn the art of the process, it just tastes better. I feel like I made it, and when you put your heart
He
for
made it. Thank you. Mucho gusto. This is cacao. Green one. Small one coming here. Uh-huh.
These are both ripe.
These are ripe?
Yeah. When it has black, it's ripe.
No, when it's just it's orange or red.
Oh, when it looks like a pepper, chili.
Just crack it like this.
Yeah. Gonichi. Hard.
Oh my god, this is so strong.
Do it.
Ow.
I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Wow, nice.
Do it again.
Again. Chocolate. Woo. Oh, you eat it?
They are good. That's the mucílago. Try. Just the white thing, of course.
What does it taste like?
Good, huh? That's where they came for little one.
Tastes like lychees.
No, maximum 10 days.
Okay.
But in my case, I prefer 5-6 days for melting. Okay. Then outside in the sun to dry.
This is dried how
This
many?
actually smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
Smell like chocolate.
Yeah.
Break it like this.
Yeah.
When we pass through the
broke it.
machine. Exactly. The cacao.
So once you have it roasted, you are grinding it.
Two
Yeah.
times. Then after it comes out, you mix with milk and sugar. Mix.
the chocolate.
Then
Ah,
you put 3 times again.
grinding again. Yeah.
That gives you this
Whoa.
Pure chocolate.
Wow.
pure chocolate.
Mine is milk chocolate. Can you do yours is dark?
I don't know what mine is.
You didn't add milk, right?
I put a little bit of milk. Nice.
맞지? 기쁘다. 칼랄했어. 칼라 가랭아잉?
The beef, right?
Brillia.
The langsha, the pasha.
Ooh, the pineapple. I'm gonna like that. Cheers. Good morning from our hotel in La Fortuna, Arenal. So this is our last full day in this hotel, and we were just getting ready to have breakfast. Anyway, this is our slow morning, our first slow morning. We will eat breakfast and then get ready to go to our hot springs date.
And it's your first time here?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Just let me show you then the map really brief.
I think we're the only ones here.
Yes.
Private hot springs date. This is the first pool that we're going to. This one is so much nicer because it's not too strong. This is very nice.
Different pools here. There's one here. Conditions.
I
You
think
do
it's
it.
a little bit hotter.
Oh yeah. That's what do that.
Oh, this is so nice. Hello. 4-course lunch. The order chile and then
3-course meal
plus our fruit juices are coming.
plus fruit juices.
Whoa. It just fell apart. 실라니오난고. Okay, 딱 먼저 찼어. Spa day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Is it?
Yeah.
6 p.m. 네, 딱 먼저 달라니만 인간 러시데래. 딱 먼저 잘라서 팔로 먼저 빌랑로 자이.
So we're at this massive souvenir shop. We're gonna go and try and see what we can find.
Yeah, look what Tindu found. There's so many things.
Toothpicks.
Oh, it's toothpicks.
It's toothpicks.
That's cool. What the heck?
We're so spoiled for choice. There's so much stuff. So much stuff. Mare,
Tea.
we don't know what to get. Maybe we're getting tea. I think so. We just bought some coffee and tea. It's so well lit.
You definitely won't miss it. Good morning. This is 5:30 a.m. in La Fortuna. And we're saying goodbye to our little room here. This morning will just be the hanging bridges, hike, and then we're driving 3 hours to Liberia.
sure. On the left.
Welcome.
Lesso mystical.
Mystical Park Lesso.
Mystical hanging bridges. I think it's a worker.
Whoa.
It's gonna be a bit bouncy, yeah. Shinala.
Is he saying something?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. It's actually very wobbly. Whew. But this view is beautiful. Beautiful. Puente El Pilón. Oh wow, look at these gorgeous trees. Shingdong Hanbining-jodo. Shingdong. Oh, this one looks like it needs some repair. Oh, that's the pilon tree. That's the tree that I like. The one that has like a really nice
Canopy?
shade and canopy, yeah. This is the tree. I think this is the pilon tree. That's really beautiful. Whoa, this is the highest we have been. This is the last item on our itinerary for La Fortuna.
We're heading to Flamingo, which is past Liberia, where we're gonna spend a day to do maybe some walking and shopping.
And going to a beach.
Before our flight back, yeah. We're gonna try and hit a beach too.
Okay.
But it's just gonna be a chill day until our flight
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
And we go back home tomorrow. So closing out the Costa Rica chapter soon as well.
I know.
Look how many people are here now. It's, what time is it? Like 8 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 8.
It's 8 o'clock and it's already like super crowded. Okay, glad we avoided this. Lesso, tanganzo. Last hotel de Lesso. It's been 3 to 4 hours and we made it to our final hotel. And this is Hotel Tabasco behind me. We just settled in. We're going to find a spot to have lunch and then head out because it's 2 o'clock and we haven't eaten yet. So lunch sa the beach today. Tinder wants to do more souvenir shopping. I don't know why, but here we are. So we're here at the Sea Star souvenir shop. This is the second one we have been to. Okay, we'll take a look around.
Postcard.
I think it's a card. Oh, Lesso.
This is my new toy. Not toy, but I'm gonna hang it in my office.
Look at this view. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Huh? Anywhere.
Waves lagi tu. Oh my god. Oh my god. Last footage from Flamingo.
Oh my god, so nice.
So we just spent about 2 hours at the beach, and it was such a beautiful sunset, such beautiful weather.
Perfect way to close out the trip.
Yeah. There we go. Just looks so beautiful. Okay.
Well, we should go now because the mosquitoes are coming out, so let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
Bye.
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 Bye.